Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can download all the photos from Google Photos to some other device. Don't forget before that, dear friends, please subscribe to our channel and also put your likes under this video and write comments after watching it. So let's get started with you and me. If you would like to upload all your media files that you have on Google Photos and transfer them to a device, then you will need to open any web browser you like. And from there, you will need to enter accounts.google.com. After that, please go to your Google account. Then make sure that you are logged into the account you want. Now at the top, select Data and Privacy. After that, scroll down this option. And here you will need to click on this option, Apps and Services. Next, when this page loads, scroll down a little bit and find Google Photos. Now click on Download. Next, when this page loads exactly the same way, scroll down. Click Next. And here you can choose, for example, how much time you'd like to download different files in. You can also choose the format and also the size, that is, how many of these files will be. And then you just need to click on this button here to create and prepare the file for export. After that, just follow the various instructions that you will see on your screen in order to further upload such photos from Google Photos. As you can see, you may get an email on your Gmail, after which you need to activate your Google account on another device and just upload the photos that you have previously prepared. This is the way you will be able to upload all the photos from Google Photos. I hope you found this video useful. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, put likes, and write comments. See you soon.